Hello everyone, my name is Yvonne.
Hi everyone, my name is Alejandra and we are Soul Education and Migration. Welcome to our channel.
We are going to talk today about software engineer and we will mention all the information you need to know to start this career in Australia.
That's perfect. So before we start, I would like to invite you to follow us on our channel and of course give us the thumbs up for this video.
We have a lot of information in our channel about education and migration.
Yeah.
So if you have questions about it, that's the place to go.
Perfect. So let's start.
Let's start.
So, software engineer basically is a very high skilled professional who's gonna be in charge of building, in maintaining, and obviously developing all these software programs.
That's correct.
The engineer is also gonna oversee the whole process. It's not gonna be focused only in one stage, it's gonna be overseeing the whole process from beginning to the end. So, this is why we want to study software engineering in Australia. But the question is like, why do I want to study here in this country?
That's a good question, Ale. And it's because we have excellent universities here in this area. Also, because there is a good option for all international students is that we can have a job while you are studying here in Australia. Another thing, you can stay longer in the country after the completion of your course. It will be about 2 or 4 years, right?
Yes.
And another important thing, you don't need to have like an IT, technology or engineer background to start this program in Australia.
So one of the things that all our students are asking, so if I study this program here in Australia, what are the career outcomes? What can I do after that, like a job? So what is going to be?
Actually, there is a lot of them. So we can mention analyst programmer, app developer, computer application engineer,
Yes.
database designer, IT support and test engineer, software engineer, system architect, systems engineer, and web developer. A lot, right?
Lot of them, yes, exactly.
So now let's mention what can Australia offer to international students in software engineer.
So basically we have a variety of courses. You can start with an associate degree of software engineering. You can then go to the Bachelor of Software Engineering and also the Information Technology. Then you can go to your master degree and you can also do software engineering or information technology. And finally, do a PhD of software engineering.
A lot of options, right?
Yes, exactly.
So I can see here that most of these programs, they are university programs.
Exactly.
So let's check on the requirements. What requirements we need to go to uni with this program?
Well, that depends. For both programs, even if you choose bachelor or master degree, you're gonna have to meet the English requirement.
Yeah, of course,
which
important.
Exactly, which is an IELTS between 6 and 6.5. And then we need to check the academic requirements.
Yeah,
So,
of course. You have to check that if you go for a bachelor degree, so you need to complete the GR12 or the equivalent. And if you go for a master degree, you need to complete a bachelor degree previously.
Exactly. Obviously, every university have different requirements.
Yes.
So if you're interested in a specific university, we need to check and we can help you with that.
It's really important to check all requirements for uni because they are not the same for everyone,
No,
right?
they are not the same.
So I have an important question in this part, and probably one of you also have this question. Do we need maths to go for this program?
Well, that's a very, very, very good question because a lot of the students that are thinking like,
Oh, I would like to do an engineering, but I'm really bad at maths. Can I do this program?
yes, you can. Because this program is gonna ask you to do a lot of programming. So you're gonna need languages for programming.
Probably you will be using some programming languages
Yeah.
like Java and Python, but actually not too much maths.
No, definitely you're not gonna be solving mathematic problems all
So
the
that's a
time.
good thing.
Yes, so just go for it. So we said that there is a lot of excellent universities here in Australia. Which of these universities that is gonna help me to reach this career?
We have
outcomes?
a lot of options in different cities in Australia, so let's start to mention them. We have University of Canberra, Charles Darwin University, Australian National University, Deakin University, Federation University Australia, University of Newcastle, University of Queensland, University of Adelaide, Griffith University, and University of Technology in Sydney.
Definitely a lot of universities, different cities. You can have a lot of fun you can choose what you want, where
Yeah,
you
of
want to
course.
go. So Definitely, it's a really, really good thing to come to Australia to study any engineering and especially the software engineering. It's very important to mention about how much will this program cost you annually. So we can say that in these universities, this program will cost you around $38,000 to $48,000. And you will pay it every semester.
And also let's mention about how much is the average salary for this professional. So here in Australia will be around 62 and 132K, which is very good, right?
It is very, very, very good. One of the things that we can also mention is that we say at the beginning of this video that you can stay after the program when you finish for 2 to 4 years with the postgraduate visa. There is a lot of PR options as well.
Yeah, we have here in this video a lot of academic information, but also it is important to have the migration information. So one of our migration agents, it will be doing the next video, everything about software engineer and how can you get the PR in Australia.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We today obviously talk a lot about software engineer, but we have a lot more to come. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give a thumbs up to this video. If you have any questions,
yes, exactly. If you have more questions, you can just contact us. You can leave a comment in the video, and you will have all the information about it, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
See ya.